Hariom children, this is sum number 7 in exercise number 5.4. All these sums in exercise number 5.4 are important only, but this sum is very important. We have seen about the altitude in the previous exercise itself. Same, we have found out the equation for one sum. So altitude means midpoint, means we will be finding the midpoint of these two vertices, and then one point, and here 1 point, 2 points will be there. We will be using 2-point form for finding the equation. But for altitude, we will be finding the slope of these two vertices since it is 90 degree. Since it is 90 degree, altitude means it is a straight line, it is the height, it will be 90 degree and it will be perpendicular to AC. So we have to find the condition for perpendicularity, and one slope will be available. With that, slope and a point, slope point form will be used for finding the equation of the line. First, we are going to find the equation of the altitude through A. So through A means the altitude is this line. I will mark this line as D. Now find the slope of BC. Finding slope for 2 point. Slope M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this one is x1 y1, x2 y2. Slope M is equal to y2 minus y1. This is 3. 3 plus 2 divided by 12 minus 10. So M is equal to 6 divided by 2. If you cancel, you will get 3. Slope M is equal to 3. This slope is the slope of BC. Is the slope of BC. We have to find the equation of AD. So this slope we have to convert it into the slope of this line AD. How we will convert? We will be using condition for perpendicularity. What is the formula for finding the condition for perpendicularity? It is minus 1 by m when one slope is given. So which is equal to minus 1 divided by 3 is the slope of AD. Now what we are going to do is, one slope is there. Slope M is equal to minus 1 by 3 and the point for A is 3, 0. Minus 3, 0. So x1, y1. Equation of the line. Formula is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 0 is equal to minus 1 by 3 into x minus x1. Minus into minus plus. 3 will come towards the left hand side. 3 into y minus 0 is equal to minus 1 into x plus 3. 3y minus 3 into 0, 0. Minus 1x minus 3. So all these are in negative. Take it to the left hand side to make it positive. So x plus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the line. Equation of the line AD. This is one answer. Now we are going to find out the through B. So A, B, C, D. I will mark this as E. We have to find the equation of BE. For that we have to find the slopes of AC. Slope of AC. A is minus 3, 0 and C is 12, 3. x1, y1, x2, y2. Same slope formula will be used. M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Already we have written in the same sum. So if you want, you can repeat it. Otherwise, if you have memorized, you need not write. Now y2 minus y1. 3 minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1. 12 plus 3. m is equal to 3 divided by 15. 1 3 is 3, 5 3s are 15. m is equal to 1 by 5. Now condition for perpendicularity. Equal to, the formula for finding condition for perpendicularity is minus 1 by m. So minus 1 divided by 1 by 5. If you reverse it, you will get m is equal to minus 1 into 5 by 1. m is equal to minus 5. So new slope we have got, and the point B is 10 comma minus 2. B is 10 comma minus 2. x1, y1. Now finding the equation of the line. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y plus 2 is equal to m is minus 5 into x minus x1, x minus 10. Simplify it. Y plus 2 is equal to minus 5x plus 10. Take it to the left hand side. So it becomes 5x plus 5y plus 2 minus 10 is equal to 0. Now simplify. 5x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the line. So this comes in 5 mark question. If you be thorough with the formula and the calculation how you have to do, you can complete the sum in 5 minutes. With this, sum number 7 is completed. You have to underline both the equations through A and through vertex B. Clear, children? Hari Om. Children, there is a small change in sum number 7. I have done some mistakes. I will correct it now. You just go through. 3 plus 2 is 5. I have written 6 here. Okay. So slope is itself wrong. I will get 5 divided by 12 minus 10 is 2. Okay. The slope is 5 by 3. 5 by 2. Sorry. The slope is 5 by 2. Since it is perpendicular, altitude means perpendicular. So we have to apply minus 1 by m. If you apply minus 1 by m, you will get minus 1 by 5 by 2, which is equal to minus 2 by 5. So what is the new slope? Minus 2 by 5 is your new slope. Now framing equation from this, minus 2 by 5 is your slope. So y minus y1 into minus 2 by 5. So I'll do it here clearly. Y minus 0 is equal to minus 2 by 5 into x minus x1. X minus x1 is plus 3. So 5 when it goes here, it becomes 5y is equal to minus 2x minus into plus minus 2 3s are 6. So this must not be negative. Take it to the left hand side. 2x plus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0 is your required equation. So it is correct. I have checked. Now 2x plus 5y plus 6 equals 0 is the required equation. And for this second part of the sum, that is from altitude B to E, we have to find the equation of BE. Here what mistake I have done is 5 into x, 5x, minus into minus plus, 5 tens are 50. Okay children, 5 tens are 50. So 2 minus plus 50 when it comes to the other side, it becomes minus 50. So minus 50 plus 2 is minus 48. So what is the answer? 5x plus y, 5x plus y minus 48 equals 0 is your final equation. Thank you. With this, sum number 7 is completed. Hari Om.